In this video, we will do exercise 5.1. In the previous video, we have studied the theory of this chapter. So the second question is, we have to write first four terms of an AP. Which first term is given. The first question is, the first term and common difference is given. First term is represented by A and first term is 10. Common difference is 10. We have to find its first four terms. So first, for finding the first term is already given. First term is A, which is 10. Already given. For finding the second term, we use the formula A plus B. So 10 plus the value of D is 10, this is 20. Third term, A plus 2D. 10 plus 2 into 10 means 10 plus 20. We get 30. For finding the fourth term, we use the formula A plus 3D. So 10 plus 3 into 10 means 10 plus 30, which is 40. Finding the fifth term, we use the formula A plus 4D. So 10 plus 4 into 10, this is 10 plus 40 equals to 50. Because the terms in AP are given by A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D and so on. So we had given A and also D. We will have to find the first four terms, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the first four terms, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. See, it's part 4. Part 4 of question number 2. A equals to minus 1. A equals to minus 1 and D equals to 1 by 2. D equals to 1 by 2. So we have given the first term. We have to write the next four terms. So the next four terms is A plus B. The value of A is minus 1. The value of B is 1 by 2. Taking LCM, we get 2 minus 2 plus 1. This is minus 1 by 2. Similarly, the second term A plus 2D. So minus 1 plus 2 into D. 2 into 1 by 2. We get minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Third term A plus 3D. So minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. This gives minus 1 plus 3 by 2. LCM 2. Minus 2 plus 3. 1 by 2. Fourth term A plus 4D. Minus 1 plus 4 into D. 4 into 1 by 2. We get minus 1 plus 2, which is 1. So this is the way to find the number of terms. 4 terms, 3 terms, 5 terms. One more question. We will see part 5th. Part 5th of this question. Part 5th. The value of A is minus 1.25. The value of A is minus 1.25 and the value of B is minus 0.25. Minus 0.25. So the first term A plus B minus 1.25 and plus the value of D. Since D is negative, so we will write this in bracket minus 0.25. then minus 1.25 and plus minus minus 0.25. So minus 1.25 and minus 0.25, we get minus 1.50. Next term, a plus 2d. The value of a is minus 1.25 plus 2 into the value of d is minus 0.25. So minus 1.25 and plus minus minus 0.25 into 2, 0.50, and minus minus sign will be minus and what will be added. So it gives minus 1.75. The third term, a plus 3d. So minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25, which gives minus 1.25 minus 0.75, and this gives minus of 2. The fourth term, a plus 4d. A plus 4d minus 1.25 plus 4 into minus 0.25. So minus 1.25 and 4 into 0 plus minus minus. This gives 1. So minus 2.25. So this is the way to find the number of terms. Number of terms, 2 terms, 3 terms, 4 terms. So many terms we can calculate it by this way. Next question, question number 3. For the following AP, write the first term and common difference. For the given AP, write the first term. Write the first term and common difference. We have to write the first term and common difference. The first part is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 3, and so on. So we have to find the first term. The first term, first term is given by a, and a equals to 3. This is the first term. And for finding the common difference, we know that next term is obtained by adding the common difference. So if 2 terms are given, then for finding the common difference, we subtract the first term from the second term. So 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. For finding the common difference, we subtract the first term from the second term. Also, we can subtract the second term from the third term. Subtract the second term from the third term. So minus 1 and subtract second term minus 1, we get minus 2. Common difference remains same. So the first term is a, 3, and common difference is minus 2. See second part. This is minus 5, minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, and so on. So the first term a is minus 5, and common difference is found by subtracting the first term from the second term. Subtracting the first term from the second term. So d equals to second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. And second term is minus 1. We have to subtract minus sign. And the first term is minus 5. So this will become minus 1 minus minus plus 5, and minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So the first term A is minus 5 and the common difference B is 4. The third question, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 and so on. So the first term A is 1 by 3 and the common difference is obtained by subtracting the first term from the second term. So we will write second term minus first term, and the second term is 5 by 3 and the first term is 1 by 3. So 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 4 by 3. So we get the common difference 4 by 3. The fourth part of this question, 0.6, 1.7, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 2.8 and 3.9 and so on. So the first term A is 0.6 and common difference is obtained by subtracting the first term from the second term. So second term minus first term, and the second term is 1.7, first term is 0.6, so we get 1.1. This is the common difference, B equals to 1.1. Subtracting the first term from the second term, we get the common difference. Now question number 4. Which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Which of the following are in AP? Which of the following are in AP? Which of the following are in AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference. If they form an AP, then find common difference. Then find common difference and write 3 more terms. Common difference B, and write 3 more terms. Write 3 more terms. So the first part of this question is 2, 4, 8, 16. 2, 4, 8, 16, dash, dash, dash. So firstly we have to find whether they are in AP or not. So the first term is 2, second term is 4. The 4 comes by adding 2 in the first term, and third term is 8. It is obtained by adding 4. So check whether the common difference is same or not. 4 minus 2, we get 2. 8 minus 4, 4. 16 minus 8, 8. So these are the common difference, and common difference are different. There is common difference. There is different common difference. So it is not in AP. It is not in AP. So to check whether the series, the sequence are in AP or not, we will find the common difference and common difference is obtained by substituting subtracting the two consecutive terms. So 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 4, 4, 16 minus 8, 8. It means common difference is not same. Common difference are different. Therefore, it is not in AP, and since it is not in AP, then there is no need to write the next terms. Next part is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, 3, 7 by 2 dash. So firstly we have to check whether it is in AP or not. So subtract first term from the second term. 5 by 2, we are finding D. 5 by 2 minus 2, we get LCM 2, 5 minus 4, 1 by 2. Then 3 minus 5 by 2, 3 minus 5 by 2. 3 into 2, 6 minus 5, 1 by 2. Then 7 by 2 minus 3. Also we get 1 by 2. So common difference is same. Therefore, they are in AP. They are in AP. The sequence is in AP. Now we have to find the next three terms. So how to get the next three terms? So for finding the next term, we will add common difference in the last term. We add common difference in the last term. So last term is 7 by 2 and common difference is 1 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2, which is 4. Then again add 1 by 2. So 4 plus 1 by 2, 8 plus 1, 9 by 2, we get 9 by 2. Then for finding the next term, again we add 1 by 2, so 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 10 by 2, and it gives 5. So these are the three next terms, and the series is in AP. The next part, third part, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. So the first term, firstly we have to check whether the given sequence is in AP or not. So we will find the common difference. So D equals to minus 3.2 minus, and the first term is minus 1.2. So minus 3.2 minus minus plus 1.2, and we get minus of 2.0. Minus 3.2 plus 1.2, we get minus of 2. Again we find D. So minus 5.2 minus 5.2 minus minus of 3.2. So minus 5.2 and minus minus plus 3.2. Again we get minus 2.3. Then subtract this from this. So minus 7.2 minus minus of 5.2. So minus 7.2 plus 5.2. Again minus 2.3. Since common difference is same, therefore it is in AP. And for finding the next term, we add common difference in the last term. So minus 7.2 plus minus of 2.0. So minus 7.2 and plus minus minus 2.0. This is minus 9.2. Minus 9.2. So we get the next term, minus 9.2. Again we add minus 2.0 in the last term. So minus 9.2 plus minus 2.0, we get minus 11.2. Then minus 11.2 plus minus 2.0. We get minus 13.2. So the next term are minus 9.2, minus 11.2, minus 13.2. This is part 4. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, minus 2 point, minus 2, comma 2. So check whether it is in AP or not. So D equals to minus 6 minus first term minus 10. So minus 6 plus 10 we get 4. Then minus 2 minus of minus 6. So minus 2 plus 6 which is again 4. Then 2 minus and minus 2. So 2 plus 2 it is 4. So the common difference is same. It is in AP. Then for finding the next term we add the common difference. So 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 4 14. So this is the way to find the next consecutive terms. Now part 5th. 3 comma 3 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 plus 3 root 2. Firstly, we have to check whether it is in AP or not. So D equals to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 and 3 cancelled and we get root 2. Again find D. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So we get 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 and plus minus minus root 2. 3 and 3 cancelled, 2 root 2 minus root 2, we get root 2. Then subtract 3 plus 2 root 2 from 3 plus 3 root 2. So 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. Remove the bracket, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 and minus plus minus 2 root 2. 3 and 3 cancelled and we get root 2. So since common difference is same, so it is in AP. Now we have to add common difference in the last term. So 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. We get 3 plus 4 root 2. Then again add root 2. We get 3 plus 5 root 2. Then 3 plus 6 root 2. So this is the way to find the next consecutive terms. Now part 6, 0.2, 0.22, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.4 times of 2 and so on. So common difference D equals to 0.22 minus 0.2. So we get 0.20 0.22 minus 0.2. 0.22 minus 0.2. So we get 0.02. 0.02. Subtract this from this. So 0.222 minus 0.22. 0.222 minus 0.22. 2, 0, 0. It gives 0.002. 0.002. Then subtract this from this. 0.4 times of 2 minus 0.3 times of 2. So 0.4 times of 2 minus 0.3 times of 2. We get 0.0002. So common difference is not same. So we will write it is not in AP. And since it is not in AP, therefore there is no need to write the next terms. It's part 7. Part 7, 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 and so on. So we calculate common difference. First subtracted from second, minus 4 minus 0 minus 4. Again minus 8 minus and minus 4. So minus 8 plus 4, which is minus 4. Then minus 12 minus minus 8. So minus 12 minus plus 8, which is minus 4. So it is in AP because common difference is same. For finding the next term, we add minus 4. So minus 12 and minus 4. Minus 16. Minus 16 and minus 4. Minus 20. Minus 20 and minus 4. Minus 24. Part 8. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. And so on. So find the common difference. D equals to minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 we get 0. Then from these two terms, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Again minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 0. Then from this term again we will get 0. Means this is in AP, which common difference is 0. So for finding the next term, we will add 0 in minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2, again add 0, minus 1 by 2, again add 0 in this, we get minus 1 by 2. Part 9, 13927. 13927. So common difference 3 minus 1, which is 2. 9 minus 3, which is 6. So 2 and 6, they are different. Common difference is not same. So it is not in AP. It is not in AP. Part 10. A, 2A, 3A, 4A. A, 2A, 3A, 4a and dash dash. So common difference 2a minus a, which is a, 3a minus 2a, which is again a, 4a minus 3a, which is again a. So common difference is same, means it is in 80. Or now writing the next term, 3a, 4a, then add a in 4a, 5a, we get 6a, we get 7a. So these are the next consecutive terms of and 80. Part 11. A square, a cube, a4. A square, a cube, a raised to the power 4. So common difference, a square minus a. A is common, we get a minus a. Again find common difference, a cube minus a square. A square is common, a minus a. A4 minus a3. A cube is common, a minus a. Common difference is not same, so it is not in a cube. Other question we will see in the next video.